So this is our everything oil, and it's the most incredible multifunctional product, and I'm going to share just a few of the ways you can use it. So to start with, I love to take one drop on my ring finger and then apply it to my lips as a lip treatment. Now our lips don't make oil naturally, which is why they become dry and cracked so easily. So if you apply the oil topically, it will nourish, hydrate and moisturize them for hours on end to get that beautiful, plump, glowy smile. The other way I love to use it is to take a drop on the back of my hand, just need a small amount, and then massage it into your cuticles. Now your cuticles at the base of your nail can become dry and tight quite easily, so by moisturizing them and nourishing them, you'll help to increase nail growth, keep them healthy and strong at all times. But perhaps my favorite way to use it is as a facial massage oil. So you want to take a few drops in the palm of your hand and you would apply this after moisturizing, sweep it onto your skin, and it gives the perfect glide for lifting, sculpting and toning movements. It feels so good. Release the tension in your jaw, define your cheekbones. You can even do some little forehead push-ups too to release those forehead lines. And it's formulated with a beautiful blend of natural botanical oils. So we've got safflower, moringa and marula oil to keep your skin soft and supple at all times, and it's fragrance free and suitable for all skin types.